Meteorologist Joe Ansel here. Summer's going to show off a little bit too much today. Warm and windy. We got heat advisories for several different areas across the state, including for some of us. I'll show you that in just a second. Some daily record heat is expected for highs this afternoon. The cities across the state that have the best shot of tying or breaking a record high in the 90s or some low 100s today: Alamosa, Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Grand Junction. We'll get some way above average heat across pretty much all of us, the entire area. And then tomorrow we'll start a string of days with chances of isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Can't rule out some potentially heavier excessive rain later this week, especially near and east of the Sangre de Cristos and the Front Range and the plains areas of eastern Colorado. That'll be later this week. A bit of an active forecast for the heat. 85 Crested Butte. And that's pretty much the lowest number on this board, at least. 101 in Cortez, 105 in Fruita today, Denver at 100, Pueblo 104, Steamboat Springs 92. Plan accordingly for the heat as we're around or over 10 degrees above average for pretty much our entire area for the day today. Winds will be light to moderate southwest of Interstate 70, moderate to strong out of the west-southwest in northwestern Colorado today. Here are all the heat advisories up and down the I-25 corridor from Colorado Springs, Pueblo to Trinidad, Denver, north to Boulder and Fort Collins, the San Luis Valley, areas like Grand Junction, east to Rifle, portions of the Dubuque River Basin, and also southwest Colorado. Cities like Cortez, you got a heat advisory today. Take necessary precautions because of the heat. Never leave kiddos or pets unattended in vehicles, even for a minute. Those interiors get very hot. And there's that red flag warning for some of our fire weather zones up in northwest Colorado, including the Yampa River Basin. Cities like Craig, dry, windy weather for you, an elevated wildfire threat. All of us will be dry. Some areas of northeast, east, and southeast Colorado can't rule out a stray thunderstorm. Then all of us tomorrow afternoon, some hit or miss showers and storms are possible. And some areas right in the middle of Colorado, 10th to a quarter inch of rain Tuesday, Wednesday is certainly possible. So for today, we're starting off with sunshine, high pressure over the mountains, and then we'll have a surface cold front stretch just to our north, help to increase some of those west winds north of Interstate 70. Increasing clouds, likely dry for us today. And then partly to mostly cloudy pretty much through the afternoon hours tomorrow. And we'll watch for that chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Denver, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, chance of off and on rain. Could be heavy at times, especially middle of the week. Denver likely dry today with a heat advisory. High near 100 degrees. Steamboat 92, Eldora 81, Winter Park 82. Very warm today. I'll add a slight to medium chance of storms tomorrow. Chances Wednesday, Thursday, dry for the weekend. Sunlight 88 today, 85 in Beaver Creek. Chances of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week. For Summit County, high right near the 60s to 80 degrees, depending on elevation. Chances of rain midweek. And to the south, hot near 101 in Cortez. Now for mountain traffic.